fellas, so this is something different. If you're looking right now, you see this is a RO or reverse osmosis water filtration system. There's a little bit of damage. Shout out to Amazon for damaging my package. Good job, guys. Good job. So bought this because I want to say about a week prior to purchasing this, the Walmart near me didn't have any water other than distilled water. Literally, not one case of water. And I was like, yeah, I don't know what's going to go on. I don't know what's happening, but I'll be damned if I'm going to be stuck without water. So I decided to buy this. It was $186, I think, after taxes, or $190 something. It was under $200 after taxes on Amazon. And yeah, I was like, yeah, we're not going to be without agua. So I like this kit because one is color coded. So just about anybody who's ever used hand tools, you could probably do this. I'm pretty confident in saying that you can probably do this. If you've never used hand tools, I probably wouldn't suggest you do this. Probably get your cousin, uncle, nephew, your son, somebody who's used tools before, has read some type of schematic to do this. Anybody else will probably gonna tear it up. So yeah, basically what it does is just takes your existing water that you pay for, puts it through a 5-stage water filtration system to get all the impurities and crap like that. Like, especially over here, man, I got serious calcium and sodium buildup in the water. Like, I have the Stone Stream shower head. I need to actually change out the stones in there because when I'm showering, you kind of let the water run over your face. You can kind of taste the water a little bit, and it's salty. I can taste the sodium in the water. I'm like, yeah, that's disgusting. So, just the water over here is just so hard, man. You would think it was gangbanging or something. You know what I'm saying? So, this is the kit in a nutshell. You see, these are extra filters, actually. The canisters actually have filters already in them, so you have a year's worth of filtration with the system. The PAC filter actually only gets changed yearly, and the 3 main filters get changed annually, so every 6 months. So yeah, man, it's I've actually already installed it for the most part. I'm sending you guys the video. Well, I'm sending you guys the video. I'm going to edit up the video so you guys can see it, kind of like a step-by-step for the most part, and then you'll see what I go through, and hopefully it'll help you if you decide to do this. All right, so here we go.